Leave it there. Leave the bread there for him.
Can I throw things at it?
Skip's like, ooh, what's that? Is it gonna come down there?
I want to get in on this action.
Come down here. Yeah, what's that?
You think you're gonna peck your way out of this? Because you're not.
Dina!
You scare the shit out of it. That's alright, birds. It's like bird bats. Dina, you scare him.
What?
Because you're
Because you're
big.
huge and you make loud noises when you walk. Dude, don't throw shit at it.
I'm not. I'm just trying to get its attention. Put it closer. Stop whistling.
It's the noises that it makes.
Birdie bird. He's just chilling in the water. Try and drop it in his mouth.
It'll run away. There's a bug. It's too big for him, too.
Hi, Skippers. I can't believe you found it, Tina, and you didn't, like...
Ran it over? I should have. I thought about it.
What's he doing?
Oh, you opened his mouth. Oh.
Oh.
He's trying to go for me.
No, because that's what his mom does. His mom feeds him. He doesn't...
That's too much.
He doesn't know any better.
Oh, no, it's not.
He doesn't know how. He doesn't know how to pick it up off the ground. Andy, give me a piece.
No, you scared him.
Oh, I didn't mean to. I almost fell. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
We are your human alien friends, here with bread. Ooh, he doesn't want Sarah.
Denied. Hey. Hey. Whoa.
Let me do it.
Jesus.
Hey,
You don't like
you
me.
Do it, you do it.
You guys back off. Like, give him some space.
Oh, yeah, we're going to my mom's. He pooped. His mom's probably like in the tree up there, like, hey. He's so scared right now.
He enjoyed his little bread. We'll leave him in here, and he's our friend.
Let's kill him.
But we need to keep the cats inside.
We need to get a water thing for him, too.
Yeah.
I think we should kill it. But
Dina!
It's misery.
It's not miserable at all. We're gonna breed it back, and we're gonna...
Ask your mama.
Bring it
Well,
back.
we're leaving tomorrow.
We were already too close.
Eat it.
Do it some more. Give him a bigger piece.
No, he didn't like the big one.
Eat it.
Hold it away a
I
little
think
bit.
he realizes he's at the mercy of us. He's breathing real heavy.
Yeah, he is.
You know what I mean? He's like, shit. They would never
Try
treat
and
me
pick him
like
up
this
now.
back at the nest. You gonna try and pick him up?
Oh,
You were way too scared.
you were so
I
close.
didn't want to hurt him.
Grab him heavy, dude.
No, I'm not going to grab him heavy because I don't want him to be scared of me. I want him to like me.
Yeah, I know. So grab him gentle.
That's what I was trying to
Just
do.
cup him like you just did.
I was doing it slow because I didn't want him scared.
Dude, he
Yeah,
will
but
love
once
you.
he
That will
feels
be
you,
real
he's
big.
gonna move.
Yeah.
So you
gotta
need
stop
to
his wings
do
from
it
opening.
slowly,
His wings are
but
very
grab
weak.
him once he.
Yeah.
I have like bugs on.
Yeah,
every...
let's go.
I just want to see you hold the bird.
I'll hold
Feed
him.
He wants to go.
I'll hold him.
He's like, get me home to my mommy.
I gotta go home.
Oh! Oh!
He's like, shit.
I'm stuck.
Pick him up and feed him. It'll be a good video.
He's running. I just don't want him.
Andy, I love how you're such a nature man. So funny.
Those are kind of pretty.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh!
It's okay.
No, he's holding him.
Deanon!
Sorry.
Oh, that was a spider right
It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay.
He won't try to fly. He won't try to fly now. Because he knows he
there.
can't.
Oh!
Oh, he tried.
Ooh.
That's
That's
how you-
okay.
You gotta teach him.
Yep, I gotta teach him.